guys! Today I am making a video to show you this little thing right here. This is my little office space. It is in my front family room, and this right here on my desk is the new Cricut Joy. I love the new Cricut Joy. The thing that I love the most about it is how compact and small it is. Right here on top of my desk. It doesn't take up a ton of room. And I've got these little magazine holders that hold a bunch of my Cricut Joy supplies, and it doesn't take up room. I still have all of this. Okay, so over in Cricut Design Space, I am going to start with a blank canvas. I'm going to click the new, and I am going to create an image to go on the back of my car. I recently had a friend that just got diagnosed with leukemia, and so I am going to make a hashtag sign to go on the back of our car in support of her. So in order to do that, I am going to type out hashtag together for Tia. And from there, I'm going to find a font that I like. I'm going to make it just a little bit more unique. Something a little bit more fun. From here, I'm gonna make sure it is the size that I want by going up to more and changing my width to 6 inches. You know, I like the look of this, but I think I'm going to change it up a little and do all caps. Yep, I definitely like the look of that one more. From there, I'm gonna come up and I'm gonna make sure that my machine is set for my Cricut Joy, and then click Make It. From here, the cool thing about this is because I'm using the Cricut Smart Materials, I can select this without matte option, and I don't have to apply my vinyl onto a cutting mat. From there, this is going to tell me that my vinyl needs to be at least 8 1/4 inches long in order to fit my entire image onto it. Look at how tiny the Joy is. Fits right here in the palm of my hand. But because I leave it right here on my desk, over here I have that white cord. That's for my Cricut Joy. I just leave it there all the time. That way when I'm ready to use my machine, all I have to do is grab the cord, pull it over, and plug it into the back. Now this is the best part. I don't have to clear everything off of my desk. I don't have to turn this sideways so that the whole thing can come out and take up all of this space. I don't have to move my computer off of my desk. All of it just stays right here. I'm going to be using my Smart Vinyl Permanent in white. So there are 2 different ways that you can do this. You can either take the whole roll and load it straight into the machine, or I can cut this to the 8 1/4 inch section that is needed for my image. I am just going to take it straight from the roll and load it into the machine. I am going to hit continue. It is going to recognize my machine via Bluetooth, and then I select Smart Vinyl Permanent, and it is ready to load. You can see that by the blinking light up on top. Now this is the best part. I am not putting this on a mat. I'm taking it straight from the roll and loading it into the machine. The machine pulls it in to make sure there's 8 1/4 inches worth of material, and we are ready to go. Over on the computer, I hit go. It pulls it back out to the beginning once it's done. Over on my computer, I hit unload and it exits the vinyl out of the machine. From there, I can then detach my cut section from the vinyl roll and put this vinyl back in its container and put it away. That simple. Unplug my machine, put my cord back away, and there it is. It was that simple. The whole thing's done. Now all I need to do, weed this out, put it on some transfer tape and stick it on the back of my car, and I am completely done. All with a machine that fits in the palm of my hand.